broken memory. Why talk about the days that used to be? You say you love me, but you know that's not true.